Hi class, today we're practicing identifying adverbs. So the first thing I want you to do is to remind yourself what an adverb is. To tell yourself the definition. An adverb is, check your answer. Did you know? Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Next, I want you to think of the 5 adverb questions. So hit pause. See if you can name out the 5 adverb questions. When you're done, hit play again. Okay, so you should have reviewed the 5 questions. You should have remembered that they are how, where, when, how often, or to what extent. Now open up to page 96. I'm not going to do this whole page with you. I'm just going to go over it a little bit. Remember, think A says underline all adverbs in the following sentences. If they just want you to find the adverbs, I would first find the verbs. We're going to underline the verb 2 times, and then look for words that describe the verbs. You ready? And we might also look for any words that are describing adjectives or other adverbs. So let's take a look. Number 1, red, ripe apples were scattered everywhere. So the first thing we need to do is, what are the verbs in the sentence? Action verb is scattered, and there's a helping verb before it. Were scattered. Go ahead and underline that twice. Now, what describes were scattered? Does red or ripe describe that? No. Everywhere? Yes, everywhere answers where. So everywhere is the adverb. Draw your arrow, underline everywhere once. Got it? Number 2, let's do another one. The officers arrested the thief quickly. Find the verb, underline the verb twice. The action is arrested. Okay. What in the sentence describes the word arrested? The officers arrested the thief quickly. Quickly. How was he arrested? Quickly. Underline quickly once. Okay. One more. We're doing the last one we're doing together. The very tired boy walked slowly down the road. Okay, let's find the action. Walked. How did the boy walk? Tired? Well, that's not how he walked, though. Slowly. Yes, that's how he walked. Anything else describing how he walked? Okay, there is another adverb in here that's describing another word, so let's go back. The very tired boy. The boy. That's an adjective. Very, very what? Very tired. Ooh. Very is describing tired, so it is an adverb. In fact, it's on your list. It's one of those words that's always, always going to be an adverb. Okay. All right. I said that was it, but we'll do one more. Number 4. The bright morning sun had risen pleasantly over the village. Okay, so let's find the action verb. You got it? Had risen. Anything describing where, when, how? How, pleasantly. Okay, let's look at the rest of the words. The sun, bright sun, morning sun. Nope, no more adverbs. Okay, so I want you to finish through 15. Now let's go down to think B and go over the directions for these before we go on any further. In number 15, it says, think B, it says, refer to the sentences in think A to answer the following questions. Okay, I'm going to cross some of these off. It says, how many adverbs did you underline? Cross that off. I don't care. Don't count. Write the numbers of any sentence containing 3 adverbs. So you're going to count them when you're done that. You can do that. What does the adverb modify in 10? What does the adverb modify in 7? Put a star by number 6. Circle the adjectives in 1, 3, 4, and 8. Let's go back. We did 1, 2. We can do 1, 3, and 4. I'll leave you just with 8. Let's go back to number 1. Now we're looking for adjectives. Red, ripe apples were scattered everywhere. Adjectives are ripe, describing apples, and red, describing apples. Okay, find the adjectives in number 2. The officers arrested the thief quickly. What did they say 2? No, they just said 3 and 4. Okay, let's go to 3. The very tired boy walked slowly down the road. The is always an adjective. Draw an arrow to boy. Tired. So circle the, circle tired. And another the. Here's our adjectives. 4. The bright morning sun had risen pleasantly over the village. Adjectives. The Bright describes sun. Morning describes sun. The describes village. Don't forget to do number 8 when you're done, to circle the adjectives in number 8. And last but not least, at the bottom of the page, write a sentence using the adverb yesterday. Draw an arrow to the word it modifies. All right? That's it for today.